Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to know if all the hardware sensors are working or not in any Android smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Sensor Test. And you will see on the first list Sensor Test by Andrew Efremov. Just click on install to install it. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. Now on opening you will see this kind of user interface, right? So you can see here all the available sensors, and which are not available are indicated in the red mark. So you can see I don't have a barometer on my respective device, so you can see the information also. So you can see here it's not showing anything in the details also. So you can see here all the sensors available are being marked in the green dot, as you can see here: accelerator and light, proximity, magneto, compass and gyroscope. So by tapping on the information you can check all the information about the respective sensors. So what type of proximity sensor you can see here, vendor ID, so you can see everything. And if you want to check if it is working fine or not, then you can just tap on this test, and now you will see here some instructions on the right question mark icon. Just tap on it. So you can see here cover the sensor and lamp should turn off. So let me put on the, so you can see here my proximity sensor is absolutely working fine. So when I place or close the proximity sensor, the light fades away or gets off. So proximity sensor is working perfectly. So let us check the magnetometer. So you can see here, you can see the instruction: bring the device close to the magnetic and reading will be increased. So let me just try to bring near the magnetic, so you can see here, and let me, so you can see everything is working fine. Even you can test the compass if it's working or not. So let me put in the directions. So it's actually working. So in my locations the eastward direction is towards this, so it's completely working fine. So you can see the gyroscope also. So you can see here, if you don't know the instructions you can just read by clicking on this question mark. So you can see rotate the device around the X and Y axis. So you need to rotate the X and Y axis just like this. So everything is working fine. So you can see the light sensor. You can just click on test. So you can see the instruction: more device to light source, the reading will increase. So you can see here it will increase or decrease depending upon how much light it's near to it. So everything is working fine. So using this very useful application named as Sensor Test, you can easily know if all the hardware sensors are working or not in your Android smartphones. So if you never known about this cool application, then definitely you should try. And if you find this video information useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. Lastly, thanks for watching.